Hello everyone, my name is Despina and today we will have an overview of the AI modules of the AIIS Learning Program. More specifically, today we will see what you have to know for the AI modules. First of all, we will see which are the AI modules that are included in the AIIS Learning Program. Second, we will see a description for each of them. Then, we will see the learning outcomes for each AI module. Later, we will see the content of each AI module. And lastly, we will have a quick overview of the theory and the tasks for each of the AI modules. So, the AI modules that are included in the AIIS Learning Program are Introduction to AI, 2. Expert systems and their role in the healthcare sector. 3. Introduction to machine learning. 4. Machine learning in the healthcare sector. 5. Introduction to machine vision. And last but not least, the sixth one, image recognition in the healthcare sector. So let's start with our first module, the Introduction to AI. This course introduces the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. It will be an overview of the basic principles, techniques, and application of AI. The purpose of this module is to present students with a basic general understanding of the field of artificial intelligence. The learning outcomes of our first AI module, Introduction to AI, are 1. Share knowledge about the historical development of the field. 2. Explain basic concepts and assumptions underpinning key AI techniques. 3. Describe the architecture behind common AI systems. And 4. Identify various AI techniques and match them to their respective applications area or use cases with emphasis on the medical sector. Let's see some information about the Introduction to AI content. The module deals with problems faced across multiple industries with a strong focus on the medical sector and how AI has shaped the way industry addresses their respective challenges. The module contains 3 mini-tasks with accompanying theory to provide students with a solid overview of AI in general and where it is applied in the medical sector. Now, let's go to the second module, Expert System and their role in the healthcare sector. This module is an introduction to expert system. The purpose of this course is to cover a broad range of topics relevant to computer-assisted techniques for biomedical decision-making, and it tends to give a broad overview of the complex area of decision support system and their uses in medicine. The learning outcomes of the second AI module are: first, present an outline of the history of expert system in the healthcare sector. Second, understand and explain the functioning of the different components of an expert system. Third, describe the most prominent expert systems currently in use in the healthcare sector. And fourth, rationalize potential application areas of expert system in the healthcare sector. Here are some more information about the content of the second AI module, Expert System and their role in the healthcare sector. The module deals with the nature of expert system and how such knowledge-based systems have been integrated into the medical sector through time. The module contains theory in the form of informative videos and infographics with 7 mini-tasks that confirm the students' knowledge regarding the first, theoretical foundation, second, basic components, and third, application of expert system in the medical sector. Now, let's move on to the third AI module, Introduction to Machine Learning. This module provides a practical introduction to machine learning. The module presents students with the key components of machine learning architecture and how various algorithms fit into the machine learning pipelines to produce results in the form of prediction models. The module will also demonstrate how to critically interpret the most common forms of machine learning output. Now, as for the learning outcomes of the third AI module, Introduction to Machine Learning, these are: 1. Formulate a high-level view of machine learning architecture. 2. Differentiate between a wide variety of learning algorithms. 3. Identify the elements of a learned model and understand their impact on the model output. And 4th, assesses the obtained accuracy of a machine-learned model. And we continue with the content of the Introduction to Machine Learning. The module sketches an overview of machine learning in the general sense through an explanation of the pipeline architecture that leads to various possible machine learning outputs. Students will receive theory content in the form of narrative machine learning model animations, informative videos, and infographics. The module further comprises 5 mini-tasks students must complete to confirm their general understanding of machine learning and its respective components. And now let's continue with the fourth AI module, Machine Learning in the Healthcare Sector. This module will introduce the fundamental concepts and principles of machine learning as it applies to medicine and healthcare. The module begins with an introduction to clinical data and then explores the use of machine learning for risk stratification and diagnosis, disease progression modeling, improving clinical workflows, and precision medicine. The module will also present key ethical dilemmas that the application of machine learning in the medical sector brings forward. As for the learning outcomes of machine learning in the healthcare sector, these are: first, identify and explain the influence of machine learning on the healthcare sector. Second, describe how health information management can benefit from machine learning. Third, argue the benefits and drawbacks of applying machine learning to a healthcare-related problem space. And fourth, take an ethical stance for or against applying machine learning to a given healthcare problem area. The Machine Learning in the Healthcare Sector module provides students with various formats of theory content that covers machine learning from the perspective of data and decisions in medicine. The module also introduces more complex topics such as deep learning and neural networks and how these are deployed in the medical sector. Specific attention is given to the role that machine learning plays in diagnosis, predicting disease pathways, and personalized treatment. Students will complete 5 mini-tasks to confirm their learning. Our next AI module is Introduction to Machine Vision. This module introduces computer vision as a field of AI that deals with computational methods to help computers understand and interpret the content of digital images. The module presents various computer vision algorithms and explains each of their proficiencies at deriving meaningful information from both video and static images in the context of real-world problem solving. The learning outcomes of this AI module are: 1. Formulate a high-level view of computer vision architecture. 2. Discuss the extraction and tracking capabilities of computer vision involving image and video data. 3. Differentiate between a wide variety of computer vision algorithms. 4th, express how existing computer vision algorithms can be applied to real-world problems involving image and video data. The Introduction to Machine Vision module contains various formats of theory content, including narrated animation, informative videos, infographics, and posters that explain the architecture, the common types of data transformation possibilities, and the most applicable real-world application of a typical machine vision system. Students will have to complete 5 mini tasks to confirm their understanding of machine vision, how it sets out to mimic and outperform human vision in given cases. And the last AI module for the AIIS Learning Program is image recognition in the healthcare sector. This module covers various aspects of image recognition and how these have shaped current imaging techniques used in the healthcare sector, with a particular focus on image recognition diagnostics. The module also suggests possible benefits to patients' care through facial recognition for patients' admittance processes, emotional detection, and health mirroring. The learning outcomes of the image recognition in healthcare sector module are: 1. Report on both well-established and new medical imaging techniques and approaches. 2. Identify and explain the influence of image recognition on the healthcare sector. 3. Discuss how diagnostics can benefit from image recognition. And 4th, appraise the application of facial recognition to patient care. The image recognition in the healthcare sector module contains a series of short theory content artifacts that explain the past and current state-of-the-art image recognition techniques used within the healthcare sector and how these have influenced a variety of tasks within the sector. The module goes on to unpack how diagnostics and peripheral patient care activities have undergone major transformation by presenting several key technology use cases for image visualization and facial recognition, respectively. The students will complete 5 mini tasks to confirm their learning. Thank you so much for your attention. We are excited for the AIIS Learning Program that we have developed for you and really looking forward to meet you on the AIIS Eduverse. We hope to enjoy this learning experience.